Welcome everyone. If the AirDrop file you want to access is a photo or video, when you do the AirDrop, so if we just do it right now, the final photo or video or videos which you sent should be in the Photos app. If you don't see it, just tap on the Albums button until you're brought to this albums view, then tap on the Recents, and the recent photos or videos will be the AirDrop. But if you send a file, so I'm going to share a file right now. So I'm not going to do this one, I'm going to do this one instead. Then if we share a file like this, and we accept the file, it really depends which application you saved it to. So if we save a file into the Files app, you just need to memorize the location. So if I'm saving to the Downloads, and I just tap on Save, then what you need to do is you need to open up the Files app, and by default, it's automatically opened me to the directory, and then Recents, it also shows the file, but to find the exact location, you're going to tap on Browse until you see this locations view. You're going to try first on my iPhone, see if the file's here. If it is, cool. But if it's not, just tap on the Downloads here. And we're looking for a file called info.plist. And there it is. You can see it says it's from 2021. But the file I airdropped is also from 2021, so that is the right file. If we open it and the app supports it, we will get a preview here. And you can also share if you want to airdrop again. Do note that some files aren't supported to be saved in the Files app, so you may need to go to the App Store, search up for this app called iZip, and next time when you airdrop the file, so we just open in here and we airdrop the file again. So let's do that now. You may want to save it to a different application you see here. So if I save to iZip, we'll just tap on Open In. And so the file is now saved into iZip. And so you can access it from there, but you can also go into Files, go to On My iPhone, go into iZip, and then you can access the file from there as well. So there are many ways to get this done, either in the Files app or in the Photos app. If you did select another app, you will have to browse through that app. Maybe in the Files, you can see a folder for that app, and then the files you need will be there. If this video helped you out, please do drop a like. Bye bye.